Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to install Node.js. So first of all, type here download Node.js. Okay, and then click on this link, and here means you need to select this option. After getting that, what you need to do, when it's done, then you need to double click this file, still okay. Now it's open. Follow the means option like default option, next, next, install, yes, finish. Now check the means how to check it's installed or not. Go to the cmd. Here we can say node hyphen version. Now your and npm hyphen version. Successfully installed. Thanks for your time, guys.